everything is His, and everyone belongs to Him. Every ounce of creation, every living entity, every jiva, they all belong to Krishna. And they're all intended for His pleasure and for His satisfaction. And so He has His plan for every jiva to satisfy Him in the ultimate issue and please Him. Although jivas of our category, tatastha jivas, they have minute independence to be attracted to the glimmer of this external energy. And that's also a lila. It's Krishna's lila also. So Krishna says, all right, this lila is nice. I've enjoyed this lila. I watched you jump up and down here and there in different bodies. And now I want to pull you into the antaranga lila. So then He comes. It's like sometimes children, they have a toy and they let the toy go here and there. They wind it up and it goes here and there around the room. And then it hits the wall. Then they go and they pick it up. Then after a while, maybe they give the toy away. So the jivas, the tatastha jivas, are like toys in the hands of the Lord. It's His play. So we think, oh, what's this play? This is not a good play. This is a sad play. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he brings out this point very much. It's all lila. Everything Krishna does is lila. And whatever, as He expands His leelas, he has so many expansions, and in every expansion He engages in lila. And He engages in lila only with His own parts and parcels. Krishna is one, He expands into Radharani and has lila. He expands into Balaram and has lila. And Balaram expands into different avatars and Purusha avatars, and he has lila. And then He expands into other expansions and has lila. So Mahavishnu expands into His jivas, Nityabhata jivas, and has lila. So we say, well, thanks a lot. What is this lila? So that question you can say, well, what is this lila? But somehow He gave us a free choice. We chose this shine over here looked better than that shine over there. We were more attracted to gold than silver, or silver than gold. That was why He wanted to see, well, what are they going to do? Which way they're going to go? But no matter which way the jivas go, their only end result, the ultimate conclusion is, and the ultimate purpose is to love Krishna. And how He wants everyone to love Him, that's in His hand. It's all arranged. It's all planned, pre-planned. It's not that He doesn't know how some jiva is going to love Him, and they're just floating in space, waiting for someone to put a stamp on their head. It's like we have so many objects. We surround ourselves with so many objects and possessions. We know each of those objects, and we know what the function and utilization of each of those objects are. It's not that, oh, what is this thing in my room? What is that doing? What is that for? We know what everything is for and what everything does. And it's used at particular times. So the jiva is like this. And jiva, we are in Krishna's lila, and it's explained that He gets so much pleasure in this lila. It gives Him tremendous pleasure that He leaves the entire spiritual world, and He brings the whole spiritual world down here for us. Just see how powerful our love is. How powerful this tatastha jiva's love is. And Krishna is in the spiritual world. He's enjoying with Radharani and all the gopis. But the jivas have such karshan, such prem karshan, that Krishna says, look, I'm going down there. And Radharani says, where are you going? Well, I'm going to the material world. What for? There's nothing down there. A bunch of stinky guys eating onions and garlic. So no, I want to go down there. I want to show our pastimes down there. I want all these jivas to enter our lila also. I also have plans for all them. They don't know that they're also part of my lila. This lila, this nitya lila. But now they're in this naimittic lila, coming and going, so I want to stop their coming and going now. All right, here we go. So what is the need from their side to come here? Is there any need? No need. Why does Krishna and why do they bring the whole thing down here? This is wonderful love, and it's for our side and their side also. Krishna enjoys. He takes the greatest pleasure. Radha and Krishna come as Mahaprabhu. There's so much pleasure and happiness they get from liberating the jivas. So we can, in one sense, we can say, oh, we should actually rejoice how fortunate I am that I can render so much pleasure to the Lord. If I allow myself to be rescued, if I allow myself to be attracted to his love and compassion, and how much pleasure I'll give him. So this is all part of the lila, right? It's only suffering when we don't take part in the play. When we don't play our part, then we suffer off stage. If we dance on the stage, and then everything's nice. When the choreographer has a particular dance scene and everything, and you cooperate with him, then the things go nicely. But if you say, "No, I'm not dancing. I'm over here. I'm doing something in the backstage," hey, what are you doing? You're spoiling the dance. You're supposed to be out front dancing. So this is all the dance of the Lord. And we are dancers, and what does Shakespeare say? What did he say? All the world is but a stage, and we are but its players, or something like that. That's actually quite the point. It's not suffering. We're not eternally damned. We're not cast into hell. We're cast. We are cast on the stage. We are being cast. We are the characters in the drama of the Lord. And so we played this drama of Maya. It was very nice. We did a good job. We played the role very nicely. Krishna's rewarded us. He said, "You did a good job. Now play this drama. Now come to the Ras Leela. You've danced in the chakra of the samsara, so now you dance in the chakra of the mandala, Ras Mandala."